Getting into a new vehicle is a wonderful thing. You can look forward to years of driving that car or truck that's perfect for you. And you can get financing that is perfect for your monthly budget. But did you know that your insurance company often thinks your vehicle is worth less than what you still owe on it? They call it market value. And if your vehicle is totaled due to wreck, fire, flood, or theft, market value can cause a financial burden to you. Protect yourself with AutoGap from Portfolio Protection. This is how it works. Over time, your vehicle loses market value. This is the amount your insurance company will pay if it's totaled. This line shows how a typical loan is paid off. If your vehicle is totaled, you still have to pay off the balance owed on the loan and the deductible. It could be several $1,000s or more. Portfolio Auto Gap Protection helps cover the deficiency, plus all or part of your insurance deductible, so you don't need to keep paying for a vehicle that was sent to the scrapyard. Protect yourself from an expensive financial burden if the unexpected occurs. Give yourself the peace of mind knowing you are covered. Ask your dealer representative to add Portfolio Auto Gap Protection to your vehicle. Protect your ownership experience.